Welcome back to my channel once again here in the forest. Today will be totally wild cooking. See, banana stem, fresh banana stem from the forest. You see this, my friends. So isko, how do I cook chutney out of it? Feel like this. See this. See, there are many layers. It's like a tube light. So this, you throw out this. So okay, see this. Baki beach ka tube light ko side ka dito. I have like this and some more. So now everything is ready. See, I have peeled the tube light. Keda in Garo. Keda, right? Okay. Now let's squeeze this like. Oh, like this. See this. Become like a brush. Brush. Fill it. Squeeze out the water. Like this. Here also I have. Oh! Very nice. I'll squeeze you like this. Like this one. Baka men, see, baka men lamuir pa. And squeeze ko. What kamen lamuir mo? Pay ka na. Kruay ko na. Kruay pa din. Krangkay mo. So we do this. It become like a brush. So I will chop it into small pieces like this. Very small. Fine. The banana stem. Raw banana stem. Like this. Fine, that's okay. In Khasi we call it klingsiar, and in Naga we call it kwaklai. So let me make kwaklai chutney. So this also I smash like this. It's properly washed. One more round. See, let's give you. See now. The fresh organic vegetable mix and become a flavorous Naga chutney. So just wait. This is tungtap. See, fermented fish. I burn this way so that it will not be bitter. Okay, fine. So this, let me just put this over here. And there's one garlic here. So let me pound this. Like this. What's that? And one, of course, tender king chili. Now my chutney will be ready very soon. So, let's mix this tungtap, somankenbeb and garlic together with the banana stem and klingsiar. So I'm going to mix like this. Raw, spicy. Yummy. Boy, I'll take the salt to test. Now salt to test. I think that's good enough. Smack like this. Mix it properly. Hey. Okay, fine. Chalo, let me just give one bite and taste it. How is my chutney? See this. Aye! We are going to start our breakfast. Garo versus Naga. Who will finish first? The quantity is equal.
Yeah.
Fine,
same.
bro. Shut up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. I be a little time taking. The raw chutney. Let me munch first. Okay, bro? Hello.
Chalo.
You have the chutney?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Here we go. I am the winner. Chalo, khatam. Naga is always faster than the Garo in eating. I don't know about the rest. Eating, we are wild, we are faster. Chalo, hey, winner!